Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to arrange the Zig Zig data. Here we can see that the serial one is fourth one. So this serial number I will go to this row column with the first and the name will second, the item is third one and the quantity is fourth one. So for this I have select the data and then press alt ASS. Here we can see that there are different option: add level, delete level, copy level option. So I will go to option and then select the left to right, click here and then ok, and short by I have select this and select the second row, click here, and here we can see that the order small to large and also large to small. So I have click here small to large and then ok. Here we can see that they are arranged automatically by setting the option. Here we can see that the serial number is 1, name is second, item is third one, and the quantity is go to fourth one. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.